All right, so I wanted to just go ahead and show you guys quick how to do a pre-trip. So again, pre-trips would be for like your MTAS testing, your MCA testing if you're traveling somewhere to do that, your one-on-one testing. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go to Google Maps, and so we start here. I'm just doing my house, and I'm just going to do one of the kiddos that I have to test over in, where's that? New Richland. So I'm going to put that in here. And then I add a destination of home again, just so it's a round trip. So the next thing that you're going to want to do is, details, is you're going to want to go ahead and print. And you can include maps, or you can just do the, you can do, do the text as well. So I go ahead and I'll click print, and you're saving this as a PDF. This is what the office has to see. So I'll do MTAS testing map. Again, this will come in handy in just a little bit. So you do that first. And then the next thing you do is you go to that Houston portal, portal.hsd294.us, and you're going to go to this electronic forms, go paperless. Log on, you're going to go to this pre-trip travel form, and the date of travel, I have it slated, I'm going to go on April 8th, so 4/8/2019. Again, it's not an overnight trip for me. I'll probably be leaving around 9, I think. Oh, nope, I can leave a little bit later because it's not until, I can leave around 11 a.m., maybe 10. And I'll probably return home around 4, so. State is Rochester, Minnesota, to New Richland, Minnesota. Total miles, I think, was 115. So you just put in there. The mileage estimate is just, if you just click calculate, it automatically puts that in there. Payable to me. My meal that day, I could grab lunch, just so you know the different, I just grabbed this from our contract, but this is the amount that you can claim on lunch, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So again, it's just an estimate, but you can't get reimbursed for over $16. So if it's for lunch. So I'll just put $16, payable to Brittany Blake. And then MTAS testing for Isaiah shoe trip. Okay. And then all you have to do is you do have to add the map. So that's when this comes in handy. Going and finding my thing. You click OK. And then all you have to do is click submit, and it will go to John. It gets sent to John, and he will pre-approve it. So I'll just go ahead, and since this is actually all filled out, make sure too that this is, mine just automatically does it because I've done it so many times, but make sure that up here on the department that it does say elementary school. So, and that is what you do for a pre-trip. And you just click submit, and then you can close your window. So that is a quick little tutorial about how to do a pre-trip. Again, pre-trip is for like MTAS testing. If you had to do like evaluation testing, things like that, that's when you do a pre-trip. And then I'll also send you a video on how you do a PD form, and that you also have to fill out before going to like March PDs, face-to-face type stuff. So